Dami kong gagawin.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Good morning mga Zoos! Tayo ay nasa bahay. Kakagising lang. Eto at...
And me, Mom.
And you, yeah.
And guessing.
You're sleeping and gising. Mga Zoobs! Ngayon tayo ay Saturday.
I'm sleeping.
You're gising na. May makulat na bata. Yeah! Ayun, ano tayo ngayon? Magdi-dinner ako mamaya. Ano mamaya pa yun? Ngayon, maglilinis muna tayo syempre ng bahay. Nakaluto na ako, nag-breakfast na sila, bacon and eggs. Mga bata, eggs with fruits. Ayan, tapos itong isa dito, ride ng bike. So ito, nagsisimula na ako actually mag-ayos ng... Ayan, konting kwento muna. Habang si Andy, nasa meeting siya ngayon, nasa kotse siya. Nakapagluto na tayo ng bacon and eggs, kumain na tayo, pati mga bata. Ngayon nakaupo sila, nanonood ng vlog. Sabi ko, wait lang kasi mag-vlog ako. Yeah, she will open it, babe. Tapos maglinis. Okay naman yung bahay namin ngayon, malinis naman. Yung kusina lang syempre kasi everyday siya ginagamit. Tapos yung bedroom namin, yun yung next kong lilinisin. Kasi yung mga socks, nagkalat at wala na namang mga partner as usual. Alam nyo na yan. Maghahanapan na naman kami ngayon. And ano pa bang gagawin?
Mom, basta.
Wala na. So, huli ka na guys. Ito na yung mga plato ko. Natapon niya yung Yakult. Very good, Mimi.
Mom, I don't like this.
Okay, mga Zoom, mamaya na lang. Kasi pag nandito ako, punta siya nang punta dito. Oh, turn off the light. Oh, let's go there. Let's go there in the Dito muna tayo. So pag nandito ako, si Mimi nakaupo lang din sa tabi ko.
Look. Yeah. Look. Look at that. Look at Lala. Look. Buga.
Naglalaro ka, Mims? Hindi naman ako pwedeng umupo lang dito. Wala na akong matatapos.
Mom, I don't like this.
What's that? Magsasagot muna ako ng mga messages habang nakahiga dito. Mga Zoobs, tayo ay magsasantay. Okay. Naglaba kasi ako kagabi ng mga floor mats namin. So, aayusin ko pala to. Teka, ang dilim. Lagyan. Ay, hindi mamaya. Mats pa lang to. Dami kong gagawin. Ito yung mga mats. Isa-isa. Okay. Sampay natin siya. Ayan guys, ganyan kakalat ngayon ang banyo namin. Huwag na yung mga maduduming dami. Ang pangit tignan. Sobra. So, tignan ko yung dalawa kung maingay pa. Hindi na sila maingay. So, maybe I can start. Okay guys, so nandito ako sa room namin na tinubuan ng maraming kalat. So, tayo ngayon ay magsisimulang magligpit. Actually, magtatanggal ako ng mga ang tawag dito, mga bed sheets. Magpapalit na naman ako. Kaya super daming lalaban today. Oops! Tinamaan ko yung camera. Oops! Okay, since Andy's here, balik ako dito sa kusina.
Got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need's right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning.
Alright, what's up mga Zoobs? Happy Saturday. I believe it's Saturday. I didn't check what day it was when I left, but it's been a very, very busy morning and a very, very productive morning. I didn't get to show it, but I just finished a meeting for a new business with some heavy hitters. So I'm pretty excited about that, but we'll share more about that later as it goes along. And once the results pull in, that's when I'll talk about it a little bit more. So anyway, I just got here to the gym, and I think this is the first time that I've been to the gym at this hour. It's very, very early for me. It's 3:30. So Diana has a dinner later at 5:30. She's leaving. She's getting picked up by, I believe, Dr. Fran. They have a little outing today, so I decided that I would gym early, and that way when she finishes her party she can come home later and go to the gym, and it's not too late. And while she's away I can get everything done because the kids will just be playing at the house. So yeah, really good start today. We cleaned up as well. That mostly is done, but I'll finish that later. Just picked up this drink as well. So is it going to go in focus? I don't know if that's in focus because it's very, very bright here at the moment. But anyway, I picked up this drink. It's C4. I only realized now how expensive it was. It's $7.50. So that's roughly like 320 pesos just for an energy drink. Not promoting it, but it's a pretty good drink anyway. It's got a lot of caffeine in it, so hopefully it'll get me through my shoulder day. But yeah, today is absolutely perfect. It's only 21 degrees, but it definitely feels hotter. That's why I'm in a tank top only, or a sando. But yeah, there's no clouds, there's no breeze. Very, very, well, we won't say no breeze. There's a tiny, tiny breeze, but it's actually really hot. This is pretty much perfect weather for me. Anything between 21 to 28 with no clouds and very little breeze. Oh, perfect. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna finish this, go to the gym. Let's kill it.
Wake up and bake up this year, jump out the crib, stack up my C-note this year, killing my ego this year, all for the people this year, only believe in the real, I do believe in no fear, and I got gang in this bitch, I never switch on the tribe, I keep it all the way real, I'm in control of my feels, you see my highlights and study my reel, yeah. I'm showing more love this year, running more plays, finna scale up my business this year, the world in my palm, I'm a star, I deliver my cadence, I'm serving up chips to my peers, bringing the bread for the fam. Everything good on the side, everything coming together. New whip, no leash, no key in it, they heat it. California on the plate, I'm out here playing for keeping. I pull up, she leaking, she want me for the weekend. My foot on the gas with the brakes, hate me or love me, you see me.
Alrighty guys, so as you saw, I did a new workout for my shoulders and it was absolutely killer. So I caught this on Instagram recently and yeah, my shoulders are really worked out now. But I got to get home quick because Diana has to leave at 5:30 and it's 5:08. But it only takes me a couple minutes to get home anyway. But yeah, that was probably one of the best sessions that I've done once again, which is good because I keep improving and I keep not just lifting heavier, but I think I'm training harder and I'm pushing to failure better, which is good. And I'm starting to see the results really show. So yeah, I got some protein again, and I'm probably going to go home and have what's left of the salpicao and Sana some eggs din, and then Diane will be on her way to her party.
Alice. Come on.
Come on!
Come on, Daddy.
Kiss mommy! Enjoy! See you later, my love.
I'm coming.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going, Mommy.
Nandiyan na rin ate yung sundo ko. So guys, may dinner ako with the girls today. Birthday ng aming friend na si Jackie. Sila Andy ay pupunta kila Ola. Ay, hindi pa ito yung sundo
Mom,
ko.
I'm coming.
Of course! Hindi pa.
Mom, bye.
Bye, bebe!
Let's go, Miss.
I love you. Dalawa kiss ko. Ayan. So, habang inaantay ko yung yung sundo ko, eto na nga, sila Andy umalis na guys kasi ako susunduin ako ni Tita Dentist. Di bale, mag-birthday yun guys sa may Woodcroft Hotel ata. Sorry, kita nyo pa yung sinampay ko. Hindi ko pa nga nasasampay. Si King na lang magsampay mamaya kasi kanina kami lang dalawa dito ni Mimi. So, hindi ko na nasampay. Dami ko palang messages. So, yan. Sorry. Dami work. Buti na lang, we are work from home. We are very lucky na ito yung trabaho namin. At least, we can still spend time with our friends and most especially with our kids. Kaya, nagpapasalamat talaga ako na kahit papaano. Since nalipat ako dito sa Australia, ay may trabaho pa rin ako, guys. Tapos, syempre, aside from yung bigo namin, is yung pagbablog, which is kayo. So, alam niyo yun, kahit papaano talagang malaking bagay ito. Malaking bagay kayo sa amin. Kaya, thank you so much for supporting us. Ano ba yan? Ano ko naman? Na artehan naman ako sa sarili ko. Kasi hindi ako masyadong, showy pagdating sa feelings, ganyan. Dahil, siguro nga dahil artista. Pero, sorry guys, may lamok, may langaw. Pero yun nga, I am very blessed na ganito yung sitwasyon ko. Kaya, sobra akong grateful. Especially sa mga taong tumutulong sa akin. May nag-text. So, ayan. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung OOTD ko. Nagmamalaki ko to kasi ngayon lang ako umeffort. Ayan na. Hi, Doc! Sige pa. Pababa na po. Okay, baba na tayo, guys. Pahiyat naman. Ako yata'y walang dalang susi. Pero okay lang kasi by that time nandito na sila Andy. So, halika na. Punta na sa car. Zoobs! Ito na, nandito na ako sa kotse with the sexy. Oh! She's my driver today. Sinundo niya pa talaga ako. So, papunta na kami doon sa birthday ngayon. Kaya, syempre, isasama pa rin namin kayo. Pakita namin sa inyo kung anong food. Ano ba to? Di ba parang plated daw?
Yes.
So,
Sit
ayan.
down.
Sit down and
Only for ladies' night.
Yes. Ay, sarap uminom. Duk, inom tayo.
Ikaw.
Ay, hindi pala
I'm your
ikaw
driver
pwede.
tonight.
Oh, oh my God,
You
corny. Bawal kasi dito, guys. Kapag ikaw ay may sasakyan, ikaw magdadrive, isa lang ang pwede mong inumin. Right?
Oo, isa lang. Isa
That's
lang
the
ako.
maximum.
Yeah.
Oo, kasi
But you
kapag
can drink, yeah.
nahuli ka, tas nag-breathalyzer kayo, patay. Ano yung fine nun?
You can take your...
They can take your license. Babawasan ka ng points.
0.5, I think.
Oo, babawasan din ng points yung license
Demerits.
mo. Kaya, in fairness, alam ninyo, sa mga Filipino din na nakausap ko tungkol dito, talagang sumusunod sila. Kasi importante yun. For the safety rin yan. Ito na.
Kaya ako ang driver niya ngayon.
Kaya makakainom ako. Lagi naman. Si Andy, laging ano yan, hindi. Isa lang palagi. Kaya minsan pag lumalabas kami, naka-Uber kami. Kasi gusto niya syempre mag-enjoy. Gusto niya uminom.
You will drive soon.
Kailangan ko nang i-renew yung lisensya ko sa Philippines. Kasi pag
can use it
dito
here.
ako nag-apply,
I think you can use it here.
opo,
You can just
hindi
have
ko
the
lang kasi na
international
ano eh.
license,
Expired na kasi do. Ayan, dyan kami pupunta guys. Doon. We are here. Malamig to.
Mainit.
Ganda naman dito.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the
Ayan. And one more time, ito naman with lakpak, with padjak, with palakpak, concert level. Mabilis na tempo. Alright, ready? One, two, three. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Jackie. Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hip hip.
Ayan, tapos na yung party. Nandito na kami sa kotse. Ang good girl mo, hindi ka talaga uminom.
Hindi, kasi nga driver mo ako.
Ay, grabe naman yung driver. Ayan, pauwi na kami guys dahil I'm sure. Hindi ako tinetext ng asawa ko pero nahihiya lang ako. Kailangan ko na umuwi. Halika na, Doc. Good morning mga Zoobs! So, this is another day. Hindi ko natapos yung vlog natin kagabi dahil late na ako nakauwi. And I really had a great time. So, thank you so much for inviting me, Ate Jackie. And of course, kay Doktora sa paghatid at sundo sa akin. Kita mo naman, hindi pa yan talaga uminom dahil she wants to make sure na I will be home safe and sound. So, thank you! At sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin na nakaselebrate namin kagabi, I'm very happy na na-meet ko kayo at nag-enjoy po ako kagabi. So, ayan po mga Zoobs! Maraming salamat sa panonood ng ating vlog for today at magkita-kita tayo ulit tomorrow.